2016 American Heart Association Relay. ¿Qué pasa, mi raza? 1, 2 a las 3, ¿por qué estás aquí? Con toda la gente, los latinos, man. Hey, man, let me tell y'all right now, man. I remember this cat, my homeboy Andy, Rollers Only, 206 Seattle. He was a security dude in 2010, man. That's 6 years ago. 6 years. So some of you people out there that were low riding were in diapers. No, I'm just saying, man. I mean,
they were still riding the trikes.
Yeah, that was a big show, dude.
Yeah, right.
There was like, what, 200 cars? Yeah, I think by the end of it, wow, dude.
That's when she was brown.
Yeah. Your lady was out there, too. Yeah. So anyway, man, tell us a little bit about this
The Estilo, it's been around. It was founded the Estilo was founded by Matias back in, I think it was in 96 or 97. So it's been around for a while, and then he shut it down and didn't do nothing because he was too busy working on the family. So I came along and we talked, and I ended up getting a chapter. So we ended up getting it. Now we got one in Seattle, we got one in Yakima, we got one in Spokane, we got one in Mount Vernon. Estilo, that means my style, your own personal style.
You know, trying to educate you, you know.
So that's what it stands for.
Hey, look, I gotta say, it's real cool being out here in the 2006 Relay for Life.
We gotta support those who know where cancer. I appreciate you coming on.
And hopefully I can see you guys on the 17th in Auburn.
Oh, this is
doing a show at What's called? 6-footers, 4-footers, like that.
It's not about the trophies, it's about a ride.
No, I know. You know, I gotta, There'll be a hop off too. So I want to see you guys out there. Unity in the community, Unity Custom Car Show. What is it? Sunday, July 17th, Emerald Downs. That's between Renton, Tacoma, and a town called Auburn. It's a racetrack. Also, Switchman Bailey is going to be doing the hop off. $600 per category. Single pump, double pump, radical. So, you know, it's not a lot, but then,
exactly. That's still some money.
But you know, some cats in the drum.
I appreciate you taking the time.
Oh man, this is cool, bro. I love this town, man. I tell you what, this town is the best tamales that I've ever eaten.
Tacos right over here too.
Oh yeah. So, we're out here like last year. We're gonna go over here to the booth and talk about get her.
Shout out to the Estilo.
We started the club to help raise awareness about cancer, drug abuse, to help raise awareness more to the community as to what's going on about addiction, homelessness because of the addiction, how cancer doesn't just affect the person that has it, but also their family and their friends.
And hopefully I'll see you at doing the show sponsored by Bunker Street Casino.
We're hoping.
I know that's far. Auburn, I know that's far.
Well, we've had a few car setbacks, so we're hoping.
Oh no, but this is nice. You got a nice ride.
Yeah, we just came out of paint a few hours ago. So, yep.
So right here, what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna go ahead and look at all the cars at the Everett Mall, man. And I want to say this is one of the communities that needs to do more car shows.
Yes, I agree.
Maybe one can be done next year.
Maybe.
With the Layla Casino or somebody.
Yeah, maybe.
Because it's all about unity and youth community. Only you can make a difference in your own community. That's a lot of money. You said you gotta have the money.
Yeah, you gotta have the money.
I love that, man.
You gotta be lucky, man.
Yeah, no, I like that. That's like what, $90,000 vehicle?
Yeah, around there.
I mean, just
At
you
that time.
know, you gotta give props to do it, man. And just to let you know, we're gonna be doing the Unity Custom Car Show at Emerald Downs. Hopefully you'll be there, man.
Yeah, I'll be there with the crew.
Represent the muscle cars. We're gonna have muscle cars, lowriders, hot rods, rat rods, mini trucks, big trucks, todo expenses, everything. Also, Switchman Bailey, we did the lowrider hot rod. Yeah. We're gonna have some good prices. I think $600 per category. Single pump, double pump rack. The reason I'm saying that, man, you have to look at I want people to come out and participate and make it work. By the way, this Unity Custom Car Show is being sponsored and presented to you to get Uncle Shoot Drive. Don't forget about Uncle Shoot Casino, the biggest and best in the Northwest. Yeah. I'm sure you've heard that before.
Yeah. Don't forget Farmers Market Hawaii.
All right.
Yeah.
How do you say, hang loose?
Hang loose.
It's beautiful. What does this represent?
This island culture, this is a mix between Crown, Guam, and Hawaii.
Nice,
They
man.
work together, bonded.
Unified.
Yeah, Pacific Tree.
For market prices.
They were rivals, something?
No, they went together and did a couple projects together.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I'm here. Running the Evergreen Speedway. Tell them where you at.
Well, basically we've got NASCAR, Evergreen Drift, we've got Rallycross coming here this year. We really just have a wide variety of events. A whole bunch of fun, family fun for everyone, you know.
That's cool. Exciting.
Yeah, oh, absolutely. No, it's going to be a good time.
Hopefully we can do a car show.
Well, let's make it happen.
You got a good spot. You're the only person.
Good.
Tony for real, baby. Videographer in full effect.
That's right, Filthy Music.
Filthy Music, baby. You're in the mix right here with A for the Business. So shout out to Tony Grill, Filthy Music, Filthy Videography, or everything, man. We're doing it to it right here. Where were we? We were at the Everett Mall, man. We had a great time. It's one of the best car shows I've ever been to.
Oh, absolutely.
You want to send a shout out to everybody looking?
I want to send a shout out to Evergreen Speedway, Formula Drift, Red Bull Rallycross.
Big stuff,
Absolutely.
man. And the only racetrack in the state of Washington that does NASCAR. How bigger can you get than NASCAR? You can't.
You really can.
I will say Dale Earnhardt, man, was one of my heroes.
Oh, you're the man.
No, really. That's it, man. I'll never be nobody like that. Number three.
Number
Movie
three.
three, one of the best ones. Filthy Music, special shout out. Don't forget, man, we'll be doing a car show, man. Who knows? We might be doing a Cinco de Mayo car show. It's never been done around here. Run a link.